Sorry, wanted to understand. If in another Muslim country they say it is local meat, then would we need to inquire further how it is slaughtered and if they are used stunning or not? Normally, no. In a Muslim country, generally, you know, just you can find this out that do they stun? But normally, I don't think they stun in Muslim countries. They don't. They slaughter. It's hand slaughter generally. But if the situation changes, then of course the ruling will change. So it just depends. So if you know generally that there's a country, like for example, you go to Pakistan, you know generally no one stuns, all the Muslims, they all do it hand slaughter, they all take the name of Allah and they do it in the name of Allah. That's it. You know the general understanding of what happens in that country. Then you enter that country and you go everywhere and you just eat for 2 weeks, eat as much as meat as possible, become as fat as possible, and come back home and then go to a gym. No problem.